Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing a Christmas makeup look, mainly focusing on the eyes to create a nice glittery eye look using, not sure which palette yet, but let's get into it. So for this look I'm going to be using my V palette, and I'm firstly going to go into the shade So Shy. I've just put some concealer on my eyes and I'm just going to go over and set them just using that So Shy colour, which is like this little white one in the top corner. Just dusting that all over. And then I'm going to go into the shade Delicious and Cozy and just run that into my socket, really blending that out. And I'm going to be cleaning the edges up as well, so it doesn't have to be really neat. So once you're at this stage where you have the two colours blended, I'm going to go into the shade Goodnight from the palette and create a nice wing. So starting at the bottom and blending it outwards, and then once you've kind of got the shape you can go in with a darker black and really kind of define it up. So just deepen it up as much as you wish and keep blending the edges. Also, don't mind that hand. I put fake tan on my face and I forgot, obviously didn't wash my hands very well because I've got it there and there. But also look at these nails, little olive nails, love them. Okay, I'm going to go into my Cara Cosmetics, the Marrakesh palette, and I'm going to take the dark black in that palette and really deepen up the outer V. Okay, so I went off camera and did this eye a little bit. So this is how I achieved this eye look. So pretty much all of that, and then I went in with my concealer. Took my Last Imperfection in the shade Extra Fair, just put a little bit on and kind of like cut the crease where there's no eyeshadow. So just taking it from here and then just taking a brush and kind of blending it out a little bit so it's not as harsh, like that. And then I took my V palette and I took the shade Karat, which is the kind of gold, and just applied that. Oh, actually I put some of the shade So Shy on just to set it a little bit, and then go in with the glitter. So I actually add 3 different types of glitter. So I always find that if you add different types of glitter in different shades, when it's reflected in the light, you kind of, like, do you see? You get all the different flecks of different colours. And then I went into this palette and took a mixture of these 2 shades here, which I find these eyeshadow colours a lot more creamier in texture than the V one. I don't know if it's just the kind of formula, but they kind of are more of like a cream consistency, which I quite like because I feel like they kind of take up they apply nicely onto the eyes. So just adding that, so it's like that. And then to top it all off, I went into my Bella Pere eyeshadow palette, All the Stars one, and I took this shade here, because this is more of like every time I use this I always say it's like fairy dust, because it's so fair, like fine I mean. And I just kind of dusted this all over the eyelid. Up into the crease, just to kind of give that really pretty glittery shade. And then I went back into my V palette and took the shade Goodnight, which is the black, and just deepened up the outer wing. And just keep adding until you're happy with how everything is looking. I like how that is looking. And then just take a makeup remover product and just clean up the edges. So like okay, so I'm gonna add some eyeliner into the top and bottom, and oh my eyes look like I've been crying. And then I'm gonna go do my base and then I'll come right back. Okay, so I've done this eye and my base. So all I did for this eye was I took my V palette, which is what I've been using for the majority of this eye look, and I just went into the shade Goodnight and just ran that really close to the lash line, ow, to connect these two bits up as well. And then I went into the shade Delicious and Cozy and just ran that to blend that out a little bit, ran that underneath. Took a clean brush and just really blended everything out. And then went in with my glitter brush into the shade, that one in Thea, and ran that right under the lash line, just to create a bit of a sheen underneath. And then went into the shade Glimmer into the inner corner, just to add a pop of glitter. And then I am going to take my waterline brush and kind of somehow get a smaller mirror, draw in a little cat eye, add some mascara and some lashes. So mascara, I'm just using the Real Thick Lashes by Misguided, coating them top and bottom. I'm not actually going to add eyelashes, I'm going to add some individual eyelashes. because this mascara is actually really good and it coats your lashes really well. As you can see, and here is the finished look. So I ended up sticking on eyelashes as just a strip because I was getting to the point where I was like, I can't do this anymore. So I just put some little demi wispies on, and my lip is just the Misguided matte stick in the shade What Went Down 01. And yeah, this is the finished look. You could also do this with a red lip as well, especially if you're going for a Christmas party. It would look really good with a red lip, but I like a nude, and that's it. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again on Sunday, where I think I'm going to be filming a fashion video. I'm not sure. I need to kind of bulk film because I'm working right up to Christmas, so yeah, we'll see. But anyway, this is the look. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagrams and whatever, which are always linked below, and I'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, look at my hands.